Hi, Neely Nathan here with another holistic tip for you, keeping you and your family healthy. You know, many people complain about other two herbs. So you just want to put it in your muslin bag just like this. These are dry herbs that you can find in a health food store or online. If you search online, you can find an herbal online store. There you go. And next we'll put the chamomile flowers. Most of you are familiar with chamomile for tea. It has a very relaxing, soothing effect on your nerves. And next, we can just pour the lavender flowers right in there, just like that. You want to tightly secure this so the herbs don't fall out. And there you have it. There's your hops pillow. Now this makes an excellent holiday stocking stuffer as well. Just take a piece of beautiful gold ribbon like I'm doing here. Just tie it around. Make a nice little bow. Like that. And there you have a great holistic holiday stocking stuffer, your hops pillow. Now let me show you what you're going to do with your hops pillow. You simply just want to lay it down right underneath your regular sleeping pillow. And all those nice, comforting herbs will help you to doze off and fall asleep. Shh. I'm Neely Nathan. Thanks for watching from Great Living TV.